Assalamualaikum. This is how you can save your Microsoft Excel into a PDF document. But first, you need to install the Adobe PDF Maker so that you would have the option to save as a PDF document for Microsoft Office document. Yeah. So let's say you have this Excel file. So, for example, if you do your answers in one worksheet, yeah, so you can see below here, journal entry, ledger, trial balance are different worksheets, okay? So, if you use or if you have typed your answers in one worksheet, it is very simple. But let's say you can also put your answers in different worksheets. For example, like what I did for Mstorm Electric Trading, the one that we discussed in class. Okay, so if you want to save for only one worksheet, you just click on File here and then save as Adobe PDF. So to have this Adobe PDF, you need to install the Adobe PDF Maker. Yeah. So kalau you ada one worksheet only, so you akan ada nampak ni journal entry sahaja. Okay, but let's say you have answers on 3 worksheets like mine. Okay, so add all. You want to save all of the ledger, trial balance in one document, yeah. Okay, and then conversion options you fit to paper with, right? Yang ini kena letaklah sebab nanti you punya size tu tak betul. So ada certain area tu mungkin akan hilang, ya. And then you just click convert to PDF. So dia akan tanya double entry example in class in PDF. Ni nama file lah. So you save dekat mana location you nak. So just click save and dia akan process your document into a PDF document. Okay. So you akan nampak bila dah siap, dia akan savekan dalam satu dokumen sahaja. Semua ni akan masuk lah in different pages. Yang kat sini pun, yang ni the first page tadi. Yang ini the second page. Semua dia compresskan lah. And the third page tu is on the trial balance. So that's it, cukup. Dan you boleh submit to your Google Classroom. So this is also applicable to Microsoft Word. Yeah, you just convert kepada PDF sahaja.